Hey everybody, this is Jake Jones with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we are inside of a 2023 MasterCraft X22. We're going to quickly cruise through some of the awesome features on this boat and point out some of the best parts of the MasterCraft lineup. So back here on the transom of the boat, this is really going to be one of the best spots on the boat when you're sitting out and relaxing. If you look over here on the port side, it shows the option with the headrest and the extended footrest, so it's a great spot to kind of lounge out. Then as you look down here at the swim platform, you see that we do have the new optional swim step. Great way to get out of the boat, flips down with one hand, super easy to use and making it that much easier getting out of your new MasterCraft. So once we get inside here in the cockpit, first thing I want to show you guys is the C8 tower. Super easy to use. You have the one button right here that you'll press, pulls down super easily. Anybody in the family can do it when it's time to put that cover on. So one of the other things we're going to highlight in the cockpit is just how great the color combinations go inside and out. So we do have the beach tan with the sandstone two-tone interior, which matches up with the Chromax inserts, the sea deck, as well as the whole color on this boat. So up here at the captain's helm, first thing we're going to look at is the awesome feature on the Z8 tower with the awareness cam. It makes driving the boat that much easier, kind of gives you a little extra peace of mind as you're driving forward and not having to crank your head back and lose sight going forward. Over here on the right side, this is really going to be where everything happens, whether that's cruise control, your different surf star settings, or if you're wanting to change volumes, lights, or anything like that. Down here by the right knee, you have your wireless charging pad, as well as a USB and 12-volt access. Thanks for checking out this 2023 X24 with me. We offer a wide lineup of different manufacturers, so if this X22 is not for you, check out some of the other great manufacturers we have and hopefully we can find the right boat for you. Again, my name is Jake Jones. If you guys have any questions, give me a call at 682-282-9969. Thank you.